Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change out the lance on your Karcher K4 Premium. So maybe you've broken the lance and you want to get a replacement one. If you're getting the same lance again, it's very easy. On this model, to take the lance off, all we have to do is press this button in and it's got a push fit connector here. So we're going to push the button in like so and just do that and you can see that will come straight out. Then when you get your replacement lance, all we have to do is put this in and it will click into place, but it will only go in that way or that way. It is shaped, so it will only go in like 180 degrees one way or the other way. So if you're putting it in and it's not going home, just give it a little turn until it drops into place like so, and then you know you're in and you just have to click it in, and that's that way. If you take it out, you can see it will go 180 degrees this way as well, and again just give it a little turn until it drops in and then click it into place. If you're replacing it with maybe a lance that you've already got from a cheaper model, then you won't have a button, but you will have this little mechanism here. So all you have to do is lift this bit out like so, and then you're going to get this in. Again, it will only go in 180 degrees one way or the other way. So put it in, give it a little turn and push it in like that. But this isn't clicking because this is what we need to click it into place. And that was it, that's it, that locks it in now. Yeah. So there you go, it's just a nice easy way to change out the lances on your Karcher K4 Premium. So you don't need to buy a whole new machine, just get a new lance and you'll be up and running again. And remember, if you are buying a different lance, make sure it is a quick release one. So these ones here are called quick release. Thanks for watching.